This is a '86 Chevrolet C10. I'm finna detail it, the outside up with my detail spray. And I'm gonna use my microfiber towel to do the whole job with. Finna do a walkthrough with the truck. It's already clean, but I'm gonna put a sealer on top of it to hold the paint. Make sure the paint don't start fading, start looking dull. So that's why I'll use my quick detail spray to put a coat on it to keep the shine. Do a little walkthrough with it. They got through with the walkthrough, so I'm finna start detailing it. Spray it. Detail spray. Nice shine with it already. To the side. It already got a nice mirror finish already. You can also use the spray for doing the windows. It won't hurt it. Side chrome piece. Side mirror. Got good chrome. On the front windshield. And what this is going to do, it's going to protect the windshield, all the bugs and spots and stuff off of it. And also when it rains, he'll repel the water off the windshield. It's like you got a coat of wax on the window. Probably won't have to use the windshield wipers. So use it on the chrome tip. Make them shine. And I want these bumpers in the back. Yeah, make them shine. detail spray to get in, clean the chrome wheels, chrome rallies. I always like to use the microfiber cloth because it's won't leave lint and get it real clean. Mirror finish. And it's using my detail spray on my truck. Another walkthrough, side look. No watermark, no lint on the truck. Everything clean. From the top to the bottom. Detail '86 Chevrolet truck, old school, with detail spray.